Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on Version Bump for Composer, a powerful Composer plugin that provides NPM-style versioning for PHP projects. In this video, I'll show you how to install, use, and master this tool for managing semantic versioning effortlessly. So what exactly is Version Bump for Composer? Well, it's a Composer plugin designed to help you manage versioning in your PHP projects effortlessly. If you've used NPM version before, you'll find this very familiar. It allows you to bump your project's version with simple commands, ensuring consistency and better release management. Why is this useful? First, it keeps your versioning structured and prevents accidental mistakes. Second, it integrates directly with Git, meaning you don't have to manually update and tag versions. This plugin automates it for you. And lastly, it supports all major versioning types, including patch, minor, major, and pre-release versions like beta. This makes it a must-have for maintaining a clean and organized project. Before we get started, I want to make sure we're working in a clean environment. So for this tutorial, I'll start a brand new Composer project to demonstrate everything from scratch. Let's start by creating a new Composer project and installing the plugin. Once you run the command Composer in it, Composer will ask you a series of questions to set up your project. You'll need to provide details like the package name, description, author, and dependencies. For now, you can press Enter to accept the default values or customize them as needed. Once done, Composer will generate a Composer file that holds all the project configurations. Now that our project is set up, the next step is to install the Version Bump for Composer plugin. To install the plugin, run the following command. After running this command, Composer might ask for confirmation to allow the plugin to execute commands. Simply type yes and press Enter to continue. Now that we've installed the plugin, let's make sure everything is set up correctly. To verify the installation, run the following command. Now let's see the plugin in action. Alright, now let's see how we can bump our project version using this plugin. The process is super simple, and it follows the same logic as NPM version. If you want to update just the patch version, meaning the last number in the version, run this command. Now, if you need to increment the minor version, meaning the second number use, and finally, if you're making a major update and need to increase the first number, if you want to bump the patch version and mark it as a pre-release, use this command. Similarly, if you need to prepare a minor release in beta mode, for major releases, you can use the pre-major command, which sets up a new major version in beta mode. Now, if you are already on a beta version and just want to increment the beta number, you can use the pre-release command. Pre-release versions are great for testing and letting developers experiment with features before an official release. By default, when you bump a version, the plugin automatically commits the change and creates a Git tag. But what if you don't want Git to track this change? No worries, you can skip Git operations easily. To update the version without committing or tagging in Git, simply add the no Git flag like this. You can use this with any version bumping command. This is useful if you want to manually commit changes later, or if you're working in an environment where Git is not used. This updates the version, but does not commit the changes. Now, what if you want to set a specific version manually, instead of using automatic version bumps? This is useful when you're syncing with another system or making a structured release. This will immediately set the version inside the Composer file without affecting anything else. If you later decide to revert or reset the version to a previous one, you can manually edit the Composer file or use Git if you have version tracking enabled. Now let's check the current version of our project. This is useful to confirm our version changes before making a release. To check the current version stored in the Composer file, simply run this command. That's a wrap. Today, we installed, configured, and explored the features of Version Bump for Composer. This tool makes versioning PHP projects seamless. I've also uploaded this example project to GitHub, so you can check it out there. You'll find the link in the description, along with the install command if you want to try it yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!